Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a marathon subscriber, thank you for all watching my videos. Today we're making oats and summer fruit smoothie for weight loss. Firstly, I'm going to cut and prep my banana. First, I'm going to peel it. Cut the bottom off. Going to cut them into chunks. That's my banana prepped, guys. Now time to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. Okay guys, it's now time to put them all into my speed blender. Okay guys, first goes in my oats. After that, my summer fruits. After that, my bananas. Finally, I'll add some water. I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my summer fruit and oat smoothie for weight loss done. Let's take a look at it. It has a lovely pink colour. I'm now going to be serving it. As I said before, this smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. As I said before, this smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. Let me know in the comments section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this.